what is right. Oh yeah, Rastafari guide I and I. In these signs of time I see the truth unfold. Stories of the meek never truly told. Babylon system try to steal we soul, but Jah love keep I grounded and old. Walking through the fire still I never burn. Every lesson in life is a chance to learn. From the hills to the valleys, hear the shepherd call. Stand firm in your faith, never stumble nor fall. These are the signs of time. Can you feel the call? Jah Jah guide I through it all. Keep your heart so pure, let your spirit climb. Live in love, these are the signs of time. These are the signs of time. Oh, oh, oh. Too much war and pain in this land. Still we rise with love, hand in hand. No matter what them say, no matter what them do, truth and righteousness will carry you through. Give thanks for the breath, give thanks for today. Every step you take, let Jah lead the way. No need for rush, just trust the design. Everything align in Jah perfect time. These are the signs of time. Can you feel the call? Jah Jah guide I through it all. Keep your heart so pure, let your spirit climb. Live in love, these are the signs of time. Oh, these are the signs of time. Oh, oh, oh. Open up your eyes, see the light within. Cleanse your soul from all your sin. Redemption come when you let love in. That's where the healing begin. Love your present moment, don't dwell in the past. Life is like a river, always moving fast. Hold on to the faith when the road get rough. Jah never give you more than you can handle enough. Hear the drums beating like a heart so strong. Roots vibration keep we moving along. From Zion gates to the streets worldwide. Spiritual awakening we